Hello and welcome to Mumbai se Manchester, episode 1, our podcast where the three of us, big time Manchester United fans, discuss and review what our thoughts are on the 2019-2020 season. And here we go.
बहुत बहुत सोचना पड़ा कि तेरे को 2019 और 2020 anyway so what we have done here is हम लोग ने सीजन को पांच गेम्स के चंक्स में डिवाइड किया. So if you look at this, and this is just looking at Premier League, the Premier League table or the Premier League fixtures, and if you see, um, there are clearly some games that we should not have lost, regardless of who was in our starting lineup. Bench players खेल रहे थे, player injuries थे. This is unacceptable for United. In going into any season with any squad, losing to Palace, losing to West Ham, losing to Newcastle, losing to Bournemouth, losing to Watford, losing to Burnley is unacceptable. Especially a Bournemouth or Watford, relegated sides ke against, when we had momentum, when we could go up in the table, losing to these teams was unacceptable. Let's break this down and let's see why this might have happened and what we need to watch out for in the next season. So the start to the season was not, apart from the Chelsea victory, the start to the season was not that great. Wolves के against हम लोग ने draw किया. Crystal Palace में the first thing that started impacting our season was Martial injury. So if you look at the time where Martial got injured and the time where Martial returned, we got one win in 8 or 9 games. That is ridiculous. That is unacceptable at all levels. एक player चला जाता है and you lose complete momentum of your season is not acceptable. Regardless of what you think and how the squad has progressed, that is not good enough. I initially thought when I was looking at the fixtures that Pogba getting injured might have been one of the reasons why things derailed. But I think it was more of a combination of Martial and Pogba being injured here. But again, not acceptable. That's why we need strength and depth in the front line. We need strength and depth in creative positions. Martial or Rashford injured होने से we cannot be losing these many games. Then things slightly got better. You can see in the next 5 games we at least started putting some wins together. And finally, the icing on the cake was Bruno Fernandes joining the club. From that point, I think this was championship winning form. This was truly championship winning form. If we would have played like this for the entire duration of the season, we might have been in the top 2. And that's what we are going to discuss in the next segment. So if we break this down, right, starting from game week 26 to 38, we were outstanding. We blew away teams. We played attractive football, and then at the end we won where we shouldn't have. That's a hallmark of a successful team कि हम लोग अच्छा नहीं खेल के we were getting points. I think this was championship form, brilliant. But for that to happen, we had Pogba and Rashford returning. We had Bruno coming into the squad, and we had Martial fit. So ये 4 players contributed to this run. To start off with, I told you that it did not go well, and Martial not being there had a huge result, or had a huge impact. This patch in the middle was okay, and it would have even been good if we did not lose against 2 relegation teams. So if you look at these 10 games, we actually had a few wins. We did not lose against some teams where we usually would have lost. The Spurs victory, the Manchester City victory was actually pretty good, but losing to a relegated team in Watford and Bournemouth was not good enough, regardless of what your squad is. And I wanted to call out this. It frustrated me. Bruno Fernandes could have been signed on the 1st of January. We were negotiating with his club and his agent since the summer. 6 महीने है board के पास, and we still ended up signing him at the very end of the transfer window. It cost us 3 wins, or it cost us potentially 9 points. It was ridiculous.
I would like
After,
to even go far and say we should have signed him in summer itself. Sorry if you
Absolutely.
already said that.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
signing a player in January is just being desperate. I think we even might have paid more than what we would have done in summer. I don't know what we really achieved.
I absolutely
Overall.
agree. So the creative influence that was lost, which lost us point up front, and the fact that we did not sign him on time is the reason why we dropped points.
Agreed.
Perfect. Neeraj?
Okay, thanks Saurabh for the season review. And overall, Nikhil, how did you feel about the season? How would you rate the season?
Overall, I think मैं season में अपने को 6.5 out of 10 दूंगा.
6.5. And who were your top 5 players, standout players?
Top 5, Marshall, definitely. Rashford, Mason, Bruno. Fifth choice में थोड़ा tone, I'm not sure, but Maguire was my fifth player.
Yeah. What about you, Saurabh? And what about you, Saurabh? How would you rate the season, and who were your top 5 players?
I know I went on a bit of a rant in the season review. I actually think the season was not as bad with the players that we had. I would give it a 7 out of 10. In the end, we ended third, which I would have taken at the start of the season. But because of the board, we are getting a 7 out of 10. It could have been 8 or 9 out of 10. We could have been in the top 2. We could have won a cup. So I'll still hold that against them. My top 5 players are Martial, Bruno, Rashford, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, and for the fifth spot, I had actually written Fred's name down, and I almost exclaimed when Happy said Greenwood. मैं completely भूल गया था कि Greenwood भी इतने goals मारा है. But I think I'll still give Fred some respect. I'll keep Fred in there, and I don't want to put Mason in there because I think he's capable of hitting 20-25 goals, and maybe he will be in my top 5 next season and the season after.
And who was your player of the season?
Martial.
Happy.
मेरे को तो पूछा ही नहीं.
अभी पूछ रहा हूँ ना. Martial, both of you, Martial.
Yeah. What about you?
I have a little more strict reasoning, and I rate the season 5 out of 10 for not winning a trophy.
Okay.
And just barely making it to the Champions League spots at the very end. It was only because of the final run after the restart. And my top 5 players would be Bruno Fernandes, who's also my player of the season. Even if he played half a season, I think that is the hallmark of a player, that he plays half a season and just turns the team around. And Martial, obviously Rashford, Greenwood, and I would put McTominay as my last player because I think he really held the team together when the first team players were absent. So
Aaron Wan-Bissaka कैसे मिस किया top 5 में?
मैं Maguire और Wan-Bissaka पे मेरा ये था टसल था. I thought Maguire they were very close. मतलब मुझे Mason को निकालना पड़ता to bring
number 6.
Yeah.
मुझे at least first half of the season या first 30 games of the season मुझे कोई भी opponent के against हो, if he is going one on one against Maguire, मैं chill था, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा था.
Against Maguire or against
Aaron Wan-Bissaka?
Yeah.
I knew that he was going to win the one on one. मतलब tackle करेगा, कुछ भी करेगा, he will dive in, he will hack the player, but नहीं जाने देगा to get past him. I thought he was our best defender.
The reason I didn't I think his name didn't pop up in my mind was क्योंकि वो मेरा expectation था शायद उसके attacking output में ज़्यादा था. I expected a bit more and काफी disappoint किया, to be honest.
But interesting to see 5 out of 10, 6.5 out of 10, and 7 out of 10. That can be literally the picture of how our season was. It was very good at times and it was very poor at times. So there's it all right.
All right, let's wrap up. I know we can keep talking for hours and hours about this, so let's wrap this one up. And please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of us ranting and discussing about Manchester United. Thank you and goodbye.